Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am going to do the final part of the online purchase that I made for several Matchbox cars. They're all mint on card. These particular cards are from the year 2000 as far as I know. I don't plan on opening any of them. I'm just going to do a quick review and just have a look at the cars here. So the first car up is a Ford. Not entirely sure what kind of Ford it is. Doesn't give you anything more there, but anyways, really nice car. I think we saw this one before in a previous review as well, so I probably have two of these. It's actually really nice. It's black on red, and I'm not the biggest fan of that gray plastic on the grille, but it actually looks really good on the black, and really nice wheels for this particular vehicle. Next we have a police bus. It's again not my cup of tea. Just to show you the full card there. It's good detailing. It's a nice vehicle. Just not something that I would necessarily collect. Look at the detailing on that. Somebody spent a lot of time designing that. Next we have something called the Alpine Ambulance, which is an interesting color. I'm assuming this would be used in the snow in a cold climate. You can see there's some sort of plastic traction. An interesting design, but definitely made for kids. I mean, these are not the types of vehicles that I would necessarily collect. Just have a quick look at the back. Just to confirm, it is 2000 Mattel, made in China. Next we have a mobile police. It's actually quite a nice vehicle. And it does appear that the door opens. You can see the little lever there that should open it. Good details at the back. It says, not sure what that says. Plastic gray base, made in China. Not a bad vehicle actually. Next we have a Chrysler panel cruiser concept. No detailing. I don't think it has an interior because the windows are completely blacked out. Not certain, but that would be my guess. Black base. A little boring for me. It does have the, let's see if you can focus that in there. It does say Matchbox. Panel cruiser. We have something called a Sky Giant, which appears to have some sort of a moving part. Once again, it's quite fantasy, definitely made for kids. So far, of the 3 years that I've done videos for, 2000 has been the most disappointing. The late 90s seem to have much better vehicles. Now this is a nice vehicle, or a nice hydro buggy I should say. Good detailing, well designed, looks quite realistic. See the front of it. Go through these pretty quick here. Next we have a police robot truck. Not sure what exactly that is. So what the purpose of it is, it says Police Patrol Unit 12, dial 911. Once again, I don't think this is a licensed product. I'm not sure if that's a moving part. I think that's a moving part. I feel like that opens up. This looks like another Ford. This is a Ford F-Series, and this is another really nice vehicle. Once again, even though it's a gray plastic that I don't love, it goes well with the red. The wheels are really, really nice for this particular vehicle. It says MBFD, which is Matchbox Fire Department, I would guess. Has the little matchbox symbol there. It's got a little life raft at the top. And I get the feeling that that's a moving part again. I feel like that slides down. Really, really nice. And then the bottom. All right. We've got a Ford flare side pickup. That's the front of it. It says F-150. Sunroof, white interior. Chrome grille. Chrome bottom. Fantastic tow hook. Nothing in the back. It's quite good. I'd say a 6 out of 10 for me. Helicopter, which you don't see too many of them in the regular line. It's called a copter. Nothing to write home about, but not too many complaints on it either. Okay, just gonna grab a few more here. Try and get through these fairly quickly. Next one is called Demolition. It says 43 Matchbox on it. It's got a moving part as far as I can see. Demolition machine. It's alright. Here's a boat I like. I think that boat's actually quite good. It's called a Hydrojet. It's got some sort of radar. I wonder if these things actually float. Next we have the Road Roller, number 36. And of course, the entire line for 2000 has this generic fire engine on the graphics. Just have a look at the back again, and it does say 2000, made in China. Interesting vehicle. Okay, here's a BMW 850i, which is quite nice. I've got a grey version of this from one of the premium lines. It says BMW 8501 in blue. Fortunately, no detailing in the back. It does say Matchbox where the number plate goes, but it would have been nice if the grille, sorry, not the grille, but the bumpers and the lights were filled in. But it's not a bad vehicle, can't complain. And it appears to be entirely metal. Metal bottom and metal frame, look at that. And opening doors. Moving parts, look at that. Okay, this is a really nice vehicle. It says Matchbox Hero City. Curious to see if this is also from 2000 or if this is from a different year. Oh, it's 2003. It's actually a really nice vehicle. It says Dodge Ram Srt10. It's got those monster wheels with the fantastic traction on it. Black grille. Red windows. Can't tell if it has an interior or not. Probably not, considering it's quite red. You can't see inside. It's frosted over. It's got a plastic base. But a really nice vehicle. Stands tall and mighty. Again, it's from 2003 from something called the Matchbox Hero City Collection. Oh, we've got another one from that line, so let's just have a quick look at that. Matchbox Hero City Collection. This apparently it wasn't given a name. Don't see anything written. I can't read any of that, so there's the bottom. Just to confirm, it's also from 2003, and I see one more from that Hero City line, so I'm just gonna have a look at that as well. Once again, no descriptive name. It's some kind of a helicopter. I'm not sure what Hero City is, or if it represents some sort of superhero, or why they made this line. But once again, it's quite fantasy. And this is actually 2002. Interesting. Okay, so just a few more here. Look at that, I have another one of those. So I have that, which is on a different card. I'm just going to have a look at the back on this. Oh, this one's 1999, so I have two versions of this helicopter. I guess it's called Airlift. One is from the 2002 Hero City line, and that one apparently is from 1999. Okay, so this is a cement mixer from the year 2000. Once again, quite fantasy. Interesting wheels. Looks like the mixer rolls, so it's got a moving part on it. Appears to be a plastic base. Next we have a fire flutter. It's good design, it's just quite fantasy. I think the blue piece there comes off because it's got some sort of a band that holds it together. And it's that band's held up quite well considering it's over 20 years old. And there's the Hydro Extreme, once again another boat, which is, actually this is the best boat of the three that we've seen today. I think I actually have a version of it that's loose somewhere. I'm gonna see if I can grab it for a second. I'm just gonna. So bought this at a charity shop a while back. Not that I picked it up in particular, this came as a lot with some others, and yeah, that seems quite similar. Let's have a look at it. It's quite a nice boat. This one's slightly damaged. You can see the piece of plastic there is slightly off center. And then there's some older Matchbox that also came as part of this lot that I purchased. I'm just going to have a quick look at them. Not going to spend too much time on it again, but these vehicles are certainly nicer than the ones we've seen previously. So this is a Chrysler Atlantic. It says Cool Concepts. It's an older card. It's from 1997. You can barely see it, but the sticker is covering it. But I have 3 of them. Willing to trade one if anyone wants one. So once again, that was the Chrysler Atlantic, and the card's from 1997. Next we have a 71 Camaro. Beautiful car, sorry. Green racing stripes. The front and the back. Lights are not detailed on it at all. Like the memory. Yeah, we did open one last time. Here we go. So I do have a version that's open as well. That's in a different color. We've already seen that. Just so you guys see a different version of it. It's actually a beautiful car. Really, really nice casting. Got some, just the right amount of weight. It's this beautiful beigey brown with a black interior and black racing stripes. And the green one is just as magnificent. Just a real classic. I would say a must-have. That one's really nice too. Next we have a 66 Mustang Cobra. Just gorgeous. Beautiful car, beautiful casting. Look at that. It's quite expensive, eh? $1.19, and that was from 1997. They're 87 cents now, in Canada at least. Couple of other Mustangs that I have that we've already seen, so I'm not going to spend too much time on it. And I think that one's just a carded version of that bad boy right there. They seem identical to me, so I'm not going to spend too much time on it. And just, we've already seen this, but just to show you guys what a fantastic casting. Look at that. And then there's that. So I paid about $1 each for all these mint on card vehicles. $1 Canadian, I should say. There's a Prowler. There's also a black one that we saw earlier. I'm not going to pull it out. It also comes in purple. I have that somewhere. So Plymouth Prowler, $1.19 from somewhere called KB's. Don't recognize it. I'm not sure if that's a Canadian store or if that's an American store. Don't think it exists today. Once again, that's from 1997. And then finally, we have a 97 Corvette. Look at the detailing on that. Love the little symbol there. And you can see Corvette on the windscreen. Nice set of wheels. Unfortunately, the back's not detailed. It would have been a really, really nice car if this was properly detailed. Absolutely fantastic. Alright guys, that's it for now. I have a variety of 5-packs that I just got from Walmart, all from 2021, and I'm excited to showcase those for you guys. I'm going to try and open some of them and compare them to previous models from previous years. So if you like my video, please do like it on YouTube and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.